Kisses, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing my art competition submission for Artistically Me's 700 subscriber contest. I'm really excited because I hope that this turns out good. You guys may be wondering why I'm not posting like a regular challenge video or like a speed paint, but I'll explain that more in the video itself because I don't want to babble on and on the intro. Yeah. Anyways, I want to say congratulations, Artistically Me. You definitely deserve 700 subscribers, and I hope you get 1,000 soon. So, as I said before, I am not going to be posting a regular video this week like I usually do on Saturdays. And the reason for that is because I'm actually not doing one but two art competition submissions. I meant to do these earlier, but then school started, and I also wanted to post some of my own videos, so I don't think that I'll be doing like any more art competition type things in the future. Maybe after like a month, but not anymore right now. That is basically the reason. I didn't want to do two art competition submissions plus another video, and that would be too much work, so yeah. So onto the actual art competition, my submission piece. I don't think you guys, it doesn't look great right now, but it will soon. I was actually doing a galaxy theme, kind of like a night sky. So the theme for this challenge was inspired by Artistically Me's channel. So I feel like everyone will do her OC, Brinley, or the dog. Yeah. So I wanted to include both of those in my drawings, so I made them sitting in this like cozy little tent, kind of teepee thing that they set up with the cloth over it, so I guess that's a tent. Why am I explaining this so much? Yeah. The tent will have some issues in the future, but I'm not going to talk about that now. So then I also did a galaxy because I thought that that'd fit the theme instead of just, like, I was going to do a sunset, them just sitting out on the beach doing sunset kind of thing, you know, with a towel and an umbrella. Yeah, you guys are picturing the scene right now, right? But yeah, I just wanted to do a galaxy theme instead. They're just sitting in like a cozy little tent, and there's a jar of fireflies, but they don't really look like fireflies at the end. I'm looking at the drawing right now, and it just kind of looks like black seeds. Yeah. Anyways, I did most of the drawing in watercolors, but I did do her OC and the dog and the tent in my Ohuhu alcohol markers because I figured that they'd be easier to control than watercolors, and like there's precise stuff in the hair, and I don't really draw characters with hair, or I don't do watercolor hair. This is confusing. Anyways, I'll see you guys at the end.